Hey guys, welcome back to another video where we will be showing you another app, and that is we will be reviewing another app, and that is Slack. Slack is one of the fastest growing app, and it's the replacement of WhatsApp as a communication tool. So most of the businesses or agencies are using Slack for their communication, for internal team and client communications. So I will be guiding you how to use Slack. So let's get started. First of all, here in the top left corner, it's our like a workspace. So it is the workspace. Voma Venture is the workspace, and team, and then Voma Team is another workspace where we can Voma Team is just for the internal communication of the teams, like what to do, how to do, and what else, etc. And vomaventure.slack.com is the is workspace for project management, for client communication as well. So let me get started with you guys. So yeah, this is the Voma Team, and this is like canvases, and canvases where we can curate and collaborate with over anything, like we have to discuss about any project, and we have shared like logo designing project, so we can discuss over the same over canvases. So we can also create the canvases. We need to just click create, and then we can create the canvases as well. So yeah, it's loading. It's the animation that is loading. So yeah, let's wait for some time. Yeah, I think it's getting time. So in the meanwhile, I will share with you all sorts of things as well. So yeah, this is the drafts and sends. Like, let's suppose if we have sent all the images and all the things. So yeah, and this is the channels are of two types. One is public, and the another one is private. So yeah, that's it. So it is the public channel where anyone in the workspace can discuss anything related to any general topic. And yeah, here we have created a private channel for the project. Like, this is the Kicks on Fit and Chitkati is one of the project that we are doing for website development. So yeah, that's it. And then this is another channels, like projects we have also shared with our team. Like, this is the image that is we have shared. So yeah, this is the thing. And the best part of Slack is, like, we can integrate third party applications as well. Like, we have integrated Figma, Notion, Google Calendar, Zoom, Google Drive as well. And we can also add teammates either via a link or from contacts or by email. So yeah, that's it. This is the general interface. This is very much easy to use, and we can, like, anyone can understand, like, how to do how to use it. So yeah, this is just the DMs. So if someone have directly DM you, or this is like, if some Figma has also uh, notified me, like, about my recent activities. So yeah, it is just reflecting on my DMs. So, and it is about Figma and Fixam. So yeah, this is what is selling. And then we have mentions and reactions. If someone mention about you, how that you have to do this work, you have to complete this work. So yeah, this is reflected over here only. And then we can search over our browse people. We can browse channels. This is some of our channels. This is the private channel, this is the public channel. And then this is recent searches. And then we can also narrow our searches, like dot in operators, dot from operators, is operator, after operator, to operator. And then we can also, and this is our Vama Venture profile. So we can update our status, like in a meeting, commuting out, sick, vacationing. So it will reflect all our team members, or all our clients, about the status uh, of our profile. So yeah, we can also set away or set as active. So like, it's showing away, and then it's showing active. So we can also include profile as well. This is one of our profile. Then we can allow notifications, like what to do, when to do, allow messaging or not. This is the preference tab, where we can set the language, the time, the dark mode. So yeah, it's off. So its system default. We can also include the dark mode. So yeah, we'll set it to system default. We can also underline links, display typing indicators. Yeah, this is the thing. And then we can also mm, edit preferences over here in the left hand side drawer. So yeah, we can also, this is the home page, and this is the private, like this is the chats with our clients. So yeah, this is one of the best apps for internal team communication. It is and is used by the professionals, by the agencies, by teams, or by companies, by LLPs. So yeah, it's one of the best business communication tools. So that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the tutorial guide. uh, Thank you very much for watching. Thanks a lot.